Good morning, students. So here we are today doing the second part of the World War II. So here we have chapter 7.3, which tells us about the reasons for the defeat of the Axis powers. As you all know that the Axis powers belonged to Japan, Germany and Italy. So when the Second World War started, when Germany attacked Poland on 1st September 1939. Now, at the initial stage, that at the beginning of the World War One, America did not join the war, but helped the Allied powers with arms and ammunition. But when Japan suddenly attacked the American naval base in Pearl Harbor on 7th December 1941, without declaring war, because they wanted to destroy the naval bases, the military bases of America, which was quite a powerful nation at that time, it was then that America actively became involved in the World War One against the Axis powers. Okay. Now, this defeat of the Axis powers in the Second World War, had resulted from a number of reasons. Now, what were the reasons? First is their aggressive nationalism. Their following the German policy of aggressive nationalism was one of the main reasons. Next, the German army was regarded as invincible at a stage because they considered themselves to be the superior and no power on earth could defeat them. So, this kind of aggressive and totalitarian tendency had made Germany the only powerful nation in this, especially in this World War, and their uh, aim to become the superpower also added to the advantage. Now, the Allied powers soon understood the importance of air support and air carriers. Okay, so with the superior air and naval power, they won the battles of Atlantic and Pacific. Okay, because German army was quite quite strong in the army, but their naval and air forces was very weak compared to those of America and Britain together. Next, Hitler wanted to break down the morale of the English people by heavy bombardment, but the morale of the British people remained unshaken when Royal Air Force started counterattack successfully. Hitler called off the attack, and then there was Germany's failure in the Battle of Britain, which was one of the main reasons for the defeat of the German powers. Next, it was very difficult for the Axis powers to contest against the Allied powers, that is USA, USSR, and the British Empire together. So, first, when Germany followed the policy of fascism, when they were being influenced by the fascist policy and they started off with their Nazism tendencies following a totalitarian government, okay, it was then that Hitler came to power, but Mussolini's support became a burden to Hitler because Mussolini could not retain his totalitarian power in Italy, and gradually he became a burden to Germany. Okay. Next, what happened? In Russia, in 1944, Russia had 4 times as many as tanks as the Germans and could put twice as many men in the field. America manufactured over 70,000 tanks, 120,000 aircraft. So, this statistics itself shows that these three allied powers together, USA, USSR, and Britain together, would be very powerful against the Axis forces. Okay. Next, the basic weakness of the Axis power was shortage of raw materials. Okay, shortage of raw materials, which was very much needed when a war was going on. So the shortage of rubber, cotton, nickel, and after mid 44 oil. So this was one of the greatest reasons for which the Axis powers lost. Then they made a lot of tactical mistakes, as you can see, point number 5. Japan, all of a sudden, they started off attacking America, who had a very strong base of air force and naval commanding. So Japan also failed to understand this importance of aircraft carriers and concentrated more on the battleships. So Japan also did not possess reserves of men and materials to meet the counterattack of America. So this added to the loss. Moreover, America's economy was quite a go when they used to manufacture a lot due to new ships, aeroplanes, guns, and all, and the Axis powers, they estimated quite less as against the Allied powers. Next, from the beginning, Hitler and his advisors underestimated the military strength of Soviet Russia. Also, Hitler made a blunder. Okay, Hitler made a blunder by starting campaigns against Russia in winter, where the soldiers of German were not used to the weather of Russia, which had a very hard weather, which had a very strict weather and very cold weather, as a result of which German had to lose a lot of soldiers due to their death in that stringing cold of October. Okay, where the temperature came down to minus 38 degrees Celsius. So this was one of the reasons. Next, after the fall of Italy, Allied powers began invasion of France, where the Allied troops landed from sea and air on Normandy beach. Allied powers liberated most of northern France, but German army faced terrible losses at the Normandy beach. So you can see one after the other. Okay, so then there were the other battles in the Battle of Alamein in October 1942, where Mussolini also uh, failed in the defeat of Rommel. There was a defeat of Rommel in the Battle of Alamein. Then there was the taking over by the Pacific Islands by the USA by the policy of island hopping. Okay, so these were the reasons for which the Axis powers basically lost during the Second World War. So I would suggest please go through the book, read through the points, and listen to this explanation, and you would have a better understanding of this chapter. Okay. Thank you, students, for listening to me. Have a nice day.